Hey everybody, Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Got a new center console here on brokerage. It's a really nice Scout. This is a 2022 Scout 215 XSF. It's in really great shape. Under 100 hours, powered by Mercury 150 outboard. Beautiful lines on the Scouts. This is a shark gray hull. It is bottom painted. It's kept in the water here. Stepping on the starboard swim platform. So you've got a transom walk-through door here into the cockpit. We've got a fold-down aft bench seat. You've got bilge access underneath to your bilge pump. Got a little bit of storage down there too. Through-hull transducer on it. Really nice powder coating. Rocket launcher, the back of the leaning post, fold down bolsters, cooler storage down below. We've got a live well, as well as more rod holders and cup holders. Garmin touchscreen, chart plotter, fish finder. Here are your switches. Nice and fun to press. They light up as well. Fusion stereo unit, Bluetooth capabilities. Nice windshield on this boat, as well as a fiberglass hardtop. Moving forward to the forward seating area. Scout does a really nice job with their seating in the bow. Obviously, you've got your big lounger here in front of the console. You've got the optional teak bow table with the stainless post right there. Got dedicated storage in here. See that in the photos. Whether you're sitting here or at the forward seats here with the backrests, removable backrests, you've got nice access to this table. You can spin it around if you want a different direction. Nice storage in here, as well as under both of the forward seats. Insulated storage fish boxes. In here, you've got just a bunch of big storage area. You've got a 5-gallon bucket that still doesn't even come up to the deck, just to give you an idea of how deep it is. In here, you've got a bow shade. So you see 2 cup holders there, and then added 2 rod holders. The carbon fiber poles for the bow shade go in there. The shade comes and connects to the front of the hardtop to give this whole area a nice shaded option. You've got also your battery switch. 2 batteries on this boat, house and starting. Really nice boat. Optioned well. Under 100 hours. Original owner. If you guys have any questions about this boat, feel free to call me on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Again, Pat Wilkins, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach, showing you a 2022 Scout 215 XSF and shark gray hull. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.